Hello one and all. Earlier I provided videos on the limit of calculus. Now I am going to start differential calculus. The calculus plays a very important role in the progress of science and technology. The entire science and technology is based on the differential and integral calculus and also on the other branches of mathematics. But calculus is playing a very important role. So just see the differentiation with first principle. This is the theory. The theory may not be easier. It may be harder to you, but later on the differential calculus is very interesting. Just see. The first principle of differentiation, let y is a function of x, y is equal to fx. Let y is increased by delta y. Increment in y is delta y, increment in x is delta x. Then we can write y plus delta y is equal to fx plus delta x. After that subtract this. Subtract y cancel. So delta y is equal to this minus this. Now divide both sides by delta x. And take limit both sides when delta x tends to 0. After dividing by delta x, we take the limit. Under limiting condition, this becomes dy by dx. Under limiting condition, this becomes dy by dx, and this is as usual. By some of the writer, the delta x is called h, small h tending to 0. So delta x is h, by delta x is h. So both are used in various books. So this is called first principle. First principle of differentiation. Now the first problem I am going to start. The first is to find d by dx of xn. So let, this is y, function of x, y is equal to fx. So let fx is equal to xn. Now you know that x plus delta x is equal to x plus delta x to the power n. And after that, from first principle, write from first principle, dy by dx is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, fx plus delta x minus fx by delta x. Now put the values. Limit delta x tends to 0, fx plus delta x is x plus delta x to the power x plus delta x to the power n minus fx is xn by this delta x. This delta x can be written as x plus delta x minus x. You can arrange this. If x is cancelled, delta x is remaining. Now we use the formula of limit x tends to a xn minus n upon x minus a. This is n minus 1. This is the limit formula. The same limit formula I am going to use this. Now in place of x plus delta x given, in place of a, x is given, in place of x plus delta x and minus x. So the answer is n minus 1 according to this. n minus 1, n minus 1, likewise n minus 1. So this is the formula for first differentiation, nx n minus 1. Nx n minus 1 is the differentiation of xn. Now on the basis of this, you can answer various questions. Suppose you have to differentiate d by dx of x to the power 10. So this is 10x 10 minus 1. So this is 10x 9. Likewise, you can move ahead. Now after knowing this, to find d by dx of e to the power x. Students, I have already told you that what is ex. Ex is equal to 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 plus x4 by factorial 4 and so on. This is the expansion of exponential e to the power x. Now write here d by dx of 1 plus x plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 plus x4 by factorial 4 plus it will go up to infinity. This is the expansion of e to the power x. Now differentiation of 1, just see d by dx of 1. This can be written as d by dx of x to the power 0. By this formula, this is 0x 0 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this becomes 0 plus, now differentiation of x, d by dx of x, d by dx of x is equal to 1. Dx cancelled in normal way. So this is 1 plus, now x square, d by dx of x square, d by dx of x square. This is 2x 2 minus 1. So this is 2x upon 2 into 1 plus factorial 2 is 2 into 1. Now d by dx of x cube. This is 3x 3 minus 1. So 3x square. So write 3x square by factorial 3 2 1. Likewise x4, differentiation of x4 is 4x cube. You can derive here d by dx of x4. So this is 4x 4 minus 1, 4x cube. And after that the factorial 4 is 4 3 2 1. Now 4 cancel, 3 cancel, 2 cancel. And after that it will continue up to infinite. Now this is 1 plus x square by factorial 2. 2 into 1 is called factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 plus. Now you see that you have started from this and you have got back the same. Both are same. So the differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x itself. This is e to the power x. Now again, the next differentiation is sin x, d by dx of sin x. Now d by dx of sin x. So this is equal to d by dx of the expansion for sin x. I have already told you in the previous video that sin x is equal to x minus x cube by factorial 3 plus x5 by factorial 5 minus x7 by factorial 7 plus. Actually, students, you must be knowing ex is equal to 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 plus x4 by factorial 4 plus x5 by factorial 5 and so on. From this we can get sin x and cos x. So just see how we get sin x and cos x. Taking this alternate with plus minus sign. Plus minus sign means first x, then minus x cube by factorial 3, then plus x5 by factorial 5, then minus x7 by factorial 7 and so on. And similarly the cos, to find the cos x we take this alternate again with plus minus sign. So one is taken as plus, then this is minus x square by factorial 2 plus x4 by factorial 4 minus x6 by factorial 6. So from the expansion of e to the power x we can write sin x and cos x both. So this is the sin x expansion copied from here. Now you can successfully learn here. So just differentiate this, the differentiation of x, d by dx of x right here, d by dx of x both are same. So this is 1 minus. Now differentiation of x cube, I have already told you this is 3x square by 3 into 2 into 1 plus x5, 5x4 by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 minus x7, 7x6 by factorial 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7 cancel, 5 cancel, 3 cancel. So this is 1 minus x square by factorial 2. This is 2 into 1 is factorial 2 plus x4 by factorial 4 minus x6 by factorial 6 plus plus plus. Now see, this is exactly cos x. The cos x is equal to this. So this is cos x. Cos x I have written here. So the differentiation of sin x is cos x. Now we start the differentiation of cos x in the same fashion, same way. First of all, you must be knowing this. Sin x is equal to x minus x cube by factorial 3 plus x 5 by factorial 5 minus x 7 by factorial 7 and so on. Cos x is equal to 1 minus x square by factorial 2 plus x 4 by factorial 4 minus x 6 by factorial 6 and so on. Now to find d by dx of cos x. Cos x का डिफरेंशिएशन हम लोग निकालने जा रहे हैं. So this is d by dx of 1 minus x square by factorial 2. Write the value of cos x. x4 by factorial 4 minus x6 by factorial 6 plus plus plus. Now differentiate this. d by dx of 1. I have already told you that d by dx of 1, this can be written as d by dx of x to the power 0 is 1. So 0x 0 minus 1, this is 0. So 0 minus x square is 2x, you know. Factorial 2 is 2 into 1 plus 4x cube. 4, 3, 2, 1 minus 6x 5. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6, 6 cancel, 4, 4 cancel, 2, 2 cancel. So we are left with minus x plus x cube by factorial 3 minus x 5 by factorial 5 plus 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 and so on. Take minus common. Minus common. So starting is negative. So x minus x cube by factorial 3 plus x 5 by factorial 5 minus minus minus. So this is your sin x plus c. This is sin x. So this is minus sin x. So d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. So successfully I have given the proof of e to the power x, sin x and cos x. Now there is a formula in differentiation, d by dx of uv, where uv are functions of x. I am not interested in the proof of this. What is the value of this? This is equal to u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. After knowing this, you can differentiate many problems of product. For example, till now these are known to you. D by dx of xn, nx n minus 1. I have already given the proof of this. Now d by dx of ex, this is ex itself. D by dx of sin x, this is cos x, and d by dx of cos x, this is equal to minus sin x. These are proved already, students, in this video. Now example, find d by dx of x cube into e3 ex. Now this has to be differentiated, so let it be u and let it be v. Now according to this first function x cube into d by dx of second function is ex plus second function ex and d by dx of x cube. Now this is equal to x cube ex, differentiation of ex is ex itself plus ex and x cube, you know, 3x square. After that you can take x square common. So x ex plus 3 x square and ex you also take common ex x square. So this is x, simply x plus 3 x square common, so x plus 3. This is the modified answer finally. So using the product form, you can do the problems of product by knowing the form. Now there is a quotient form, division form, d by dx of u into v, known to you. This is u, d by dx of v plus v, d by dx of u. Now one more, d by dx of u by v. Again, u and v are the functions of x, so this is v square. We start from v, d by dx of u minus u d by dx of v. After knowing this, you can the proof. I am not going interested in giving the proof unnecessary. As soon as you will grow old, you will know all the proofs. Now find d by dx of x cube by sin x. This is u by v for my students. So select v square. So sin x whole square. Again start from v. This is sin x. जहां से यहां शुरू करो वहीं से स्टार्ट करो. d by dx of x cube minus x cube d by dx of sin x. So this is sin x into and x cube, the differentiation of x cube is by this formula. This is 3x square minus x cube and sin x is cos x by sin square x. So you can take x square common. So 3 sin x minus x cos x by sin square x. So let me verify x square common, 3 sin x square common, x cos x. So by knowing these two, we can move ahead. Now moving towards the differentiation of tan x, d by dx of tan x. By knowing this, we can write d by dx of sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x. Now again using this formula, this is equal to cos x whole square. The same will be started cos x d by dx of sin x minus sin x d by dx of cos x. Now this is cos x and the differentiation of sin x is again cos x. Cos x minus sin x and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So minus sin x by cos x whole square. So this is cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x. So we know that cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1 by cos square x. This is sec square x. So one more formula you knew. d by dx of tan x. This is sec square x. Sec square x. Likewise you can do the cot x. d by dx of cot x. Just see how d by dx of cot x is derived. d by dx of cot x. This is d by dx of cos x by sin x. Now one more applying the same formula, this sin x whole square. Starting from the same sin x. जो यहाँ लिखोगे वही से स्टार्ट करना. d by dx of cos x minus cos x d by dx of sin x. Now write the differentiation of this is sin x and d by dx of cos x. Cos x is minus sin x. So this is minus sin x minus cos x and d by dx of sin x is cos x by sin square x. Now take negative common from both. So negative is common. We are left with sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x. So this is minus 1 by sin square x. So this is minus cos x square x. So d by dx of cot x minus cos x square x. Now two more basic. d by dx of sec x. Now which can be written as d by dx of 1 by cos x. Now just see. This is cos x whole square by this formula cos x whole square. Now starting from cos x and d by dx of 1 minus 1 d by dx of cos x. Now this is cos x and differentiation of 1 is 0. I have already told many times that this is 0 minus 1 into cos x is cos x. Cos x is minus sin x by cos square x. So this is minus minus plus. So sin x by cos x into cos x. So this is sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. So sin x by cos x is tan x and this is sec x. So sec x into tan x. Sec x into tan x. So one more differentiation we have got, d by dx of sec x. Sec x into tan x. Sec x into tan x, and the last of the day is cosec x. Now the differentiation of cosec x, this is d by dx of 1 by sin x. By the same quotient rule, this formula, this is sin x whole square. Starting from the same sin x, d by dx of 1 minus 1 d by dx of sin x. Now this is sin x into 0, d by dx of 1 is 0, I have already told, minus 1 into sin x is cos x by sin square x. So we can write this minus cos x by sin x into sin x. Again, this is minus cos x by sin x into 1 by sin x. So 1 by sin x is cosec x. So minus cosec x into cot x. So this is the last differentiation of the day. So hence finally d by dx of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. So these are the basic formula, students. So I have proved many formula. So try to share among all those who are the students of class 11 and who are preparing for different competitive examination based on +2 level. Thank you very much.